Ibra nos trae. Sempre é necessário como surpresa de atrás, meme e nos programa. Nos está sorprendendo com algo que não tem seu programa. Nos também ama uma pessoa que foto da reia pero esta música também. Esta la que sube ante la que es introducida.
I'm allowed to introduce this song. Me he preparado una introducción para que empiece a justificar su posición de una concierto. Me escribí en inglés, también por comprender. Y para les permití leer para no le nada a fondo. I just told them how much we like them. Not your father, Greg. Song for a song. Okay, here goes. With my slow and school movement. Through the barricades by the group Spandau Ballet is a late 80s and 90s world hit. With a special significance to many of us here tonight, you may or you may not remember Tef Kutsia, a very popular Curacao DJ, a friend of many musicians, of which some are on stage. He tragically died in an accident. He introduced this song to Curacao through his radio program back in the days. And it was played in the chapel at his funeral live. You're wondering where this is going. Through the Barricades is a haunting love song. It tells the story of how love can flourish even under the most devastating circumstances, like conflict and war, and ideological politics and hate. It tells the story of how love can change things for the better. On this night of celebration, this night of love, we would like to celebrate the future of our nation, Nostro. In the search for solutions for our problems, we seem to have forgotten that which priests like Father Greg tell us about every day, the power of love, which was created to be the source of everything else. as the drums begin to fade, and we made our wasteland through the barricade. Oh, turn around there. There's a storm in my heart that breaks. Oh, the race just and the sun is down to tell us it's over again. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce thank you very much. I'd like to take the opportunity to introduce the choir. They're not here. I'm going to mention their names. Liam White, Shumira Isenia, Sherlock Robinson Barker, and Angie Cruz. Give the choir a hand. They're doing an amazing job. I'd like to shout out to the sound engineer right back there, Mr. Renan Hurtado. I'd like to thank Antonella Leone and her fabulous team for taking such good care of everybody. And we come now to the band, the Quiet Guys.